is Victor Kuntuome. People call me the Clay Doctor. I'm a sculptor in Winneba from Ghana. Welcome to Discover. I'm the second born of 3 children to Mr. Peter Paul Kuntuome and Alice Kuntuome. I had my basic education at University Practice Primary and enrolled in PMAS as Potiti Ahmadiyya Secondary School, where I did visual art, graphics and textiles. Currently a level 400 student studying graphic design and sculpture in the university. Growing up, somewhere around class 6, I had interest in drawing, so I pursued that in SHS2. Sculpture wasn't a thing that I was doing until I enrolled in the university. I was motivated by so many things, especially my mentor and my director, Dr. Theophilus Mensah. Starting this work was a way to brand myself, so my target was on some celebrities. I started with Stonebwoy, Shatawale, and Sarkodie is coming. I always dream to be on the globe, so that people out there will also hear of the name, the Clay Doctor Victor Kuntuome. Most of my works, I'm proud of it, but the best is the Grace, my current work, which consists of 6 political figures of this country. Along the line, I was like, okay, we are drawing close to the political terrain, so why not trying something on politics? Hello. I want to take you through my current work titled Grace. I started this work somewhere around the lockdown, that is March. It consists of 6 political figures. And number 1, here we have President John Dramani Mahama. Work made in fiberglass and resin, beautifully crafted. Well, I started the whole work somewhere around March. And I completed it somewhere around January. So second, we have here President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And this is actually the first work. This one took me about 2 months to finish it in fiberglass and resin. We also have here Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. Also, let's say about 2 months to complete this work. We also have here Her Excellency Samira Bawumia, the Second Lady of the Republic of Ghana. Beautiful. Also about 2 to 3 months to complete it and finish in fiberglass and resin. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Also in his lens, beautifully. Not forgetting my foundation, I also have here Alexander Kwamina Afenyo-Markin, Honorable, the MP for Efutu, and currently the Deputy Majority Leader in Parliament. Alexander Afenyo-Markin. That is my MP. I think my next week will move on to footballers, great chiefs of this country, and some media celebrities. We do face a lot of challenges, and one is time. It really takes a lot of time to achieve a work like this. Technical things, because working on things like this, they basically goes through 3 major stages, and at every stage, the work can get broken or spoiled, and you need to go back again to start work. I think the nation in whole, we in the art section, we really need help. We need support from the government as well, and per my view, I think the arts section should be side away from the culture aspect, because there have been several times they do arts awards and they mend it with the culture thing and it becomes a problem. So I think the arts aspect should be set aside and look onto. So currently we are moving to the studio, our sculpture studio, Nyansapo Concepts. So I will take you through where all these beautiful works that you are seeing start from. And we have a stage called Clay Model. Let's go and take a look. Hello, Maxi. Hello. Good one. So we have here Maxwell, one of our workers, and he's currently on the first stage of all the works. And this is the clay model. Before you can get a work in the fiberglass, the final work that you saw there, it has to go through 3 major stages, and the first stage is clay model, where you use clay to model whatever that you are doing. If it's a human figure, you add and subtract to get the resemblance of the person. From this stage, when the clay work looks exactly as the person that you are doing, you move on to the taking of mold. And this is an example. So we have here a roaster in it. It was modeled in clay just like this. But this is the second stage, where you divide the work in sections with shim line and take a mold with POP. When you take the mold with POP, you will later open the mold and dig out the clay from it. So let's say this one, this is the POP mold behind it. This is an elephant. So when you get the mold, you get it in the negative of the clay work. Then you mix your final work, that is the fiber and resin, and spread into it. This is an example of it. The fiber and resin spread into it. When this one sets and you reinforce it with your metals and everything, then you are set to break the mold. I think one of my guys is doing Matthew. So currently Matthew is doing some tools used for modeling. So currently Papa Sammy is breaking the POP mold away from the final cast, that is the fiber and resin. And this is it. So you can see he has break the POP away from the final work, and this is the human figure. So this is the final work that can withstand all weather. From here, you get it in sections and you join them. Let's say this is a human figure in 2 sections, the front and the back, and we joined it together. From this stage, you finish it, that is, you sandpaper it and do all those things, and then you spray it. And that is what you saw right there. Yeah, so this is an example of the section, 2-section work.
This is joint and this is unjoined. So
yeah.
These are 2 sections, the back of the head and the front view. So after you get the image. And the same material is used to seal the
lines.
Yeah.
So basically these are the 3 main stages, that is modeling, taking of mold and casting, before you can get a final work in that session. This is my director, my boss, Dr. T. He's not around at the moment, but that is the power of sculpture. This is him, and I think this is a project work I did in level 200 and a portraiture. You take one of your lectures and mold it, so I picked him, this is the work. So I tell you that you should have interest in sculpture. You do this for somebody, the person will be there forever. Level 300 students of University of Education, Winnipeg. A painter and a sculptor.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, and on IG and everything. Yes. If you want paintings and watercolorist. I call this one Da Vinci. Da Vinci the demon. I call it the other there, so a sculptor and a painter as well. And he goes by the name Da Vinci Art, Fine Art, on IG, on social media and everything. Da Vinci, Da Vinci. Hey, MG Material, level 200 students of University of Education, Winnipeg, a sculptor and a painter. So you go by the name MG. I go by the name Clay Doctor Bakope. Obama _ created on IG, to put on Facebook. Let's up. Thank you.